This is part 3 of our Jaipur trip. Me, along with my parents, sister, and niece, started our day with a stop at the 18th century temple, Thikana Mandir Shri Govinddevji Maharaj's temple, dedicated to Lord Krishna. The place was crowded but was worth the visit. It is kind of a divine feeling that you get when you see the people around. I got a glimpse of Lord Krishna in between the gathered crowd and went around the temple. The paintings on the sides of the temple wall and on top, with prayer flags all around, made this place magnificent. Our next stop is Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Breeze. The view that you get to see from the main road is the backside of the Hawa Mahal and is the most beautiful. We will explore the architecture here and return to this palace again later at night to see the Hawa Mahal illuminated with sodium vapor lamp, which I will be covering later in the day. So make sure to watch till the end of this video. Parking is hard here in this region, so we went around to the main entrance. Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze, is a palace in Jaipur, India, built from the red and pink sandstone. The palace sits at the edge of the city palace. Also, the structure was built in 1799 by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh, the grandson of Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh, who was the founder of Jaipur. He was so inspired by the unique structure of Khetri Mahal that he built this grand and historical palace. It was designed by Lal Chand Ustad. Its 5-floor exterior is akin to honeycomb with its 953 small windows called Jharokhas decorated with intricate lattice work. The original intent of the lattice design was to allow royal ladies to observe the everyday life and festivals celebrated in the street below without being seen by the public. This architectural feature also allowed cool air to pass through, thus making the whole area more pleasant during the high temperatures in summer, where the temperature can easily shoot up to 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. As you climb higher, you get to see Amber Fort or the Amber Fort that was covered in the part 2 of the video of this Jaipur trip, and also Jantar Mantar, which is right next to this palace. You might want to check the card above to see more on Amber Fort. From here we go to Albert Hall Museum. The place has some ancient war artifactory inside. We spent some time to see the beautiful view late in the evening. The palace was well illuminated with pink, blue and purple lights. From here, we went back to Hawa Mahal to see the outside of the beautiful architecture. On the way, the entire place was illuminated. It literally took us back in time. We finally managed to reach the backside of Hawa Mahal, which is the most beautiful. You might want to climb up the complex in front to get a better view of the entire architecture. You might want to check part 1 of the video in the card above, where I have shared other places to cover in Jaipur. That was the end of my trip to Jaipur, the Pink City. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and support my work by subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Also, you might want to visit my website at ravindrajoysa.com for more travel stories. Cheers.